My name is John Doidge. I'm the project manager for the electromechanical on Snowy 2.0. We're at Lobs Hole at the voith pad where we store all of the large mechanical components for the Snowy 2.0 project. Hydropower works on Snowy 2.0 by having an upper reservoir and a lower reservoir. For 2.0 we have 690 metres differential head difference between the two dams, and we use the flow and the pressure provided to effectively spin the turbine and produce power through to the generator and out to the grid. The power station that's 800 metres below the ground surface comprises of 6 turbines, 6 generators that all produce power whenever the demand requires it, but also then pump the water back up the hill when energy demand is low. So this particular component behind us here is the draft tube. The draft tube will actually be encased in concrete. So this will be the last time that we get to see it before it's embedded within the power station complex itself. It sits downstream of the turbine and effectively is where the water flows out into the lower reservoir and also where the water comes back through when we're pumping. So large heavy transportation vehicles will be utilised to move this equipment underground, where they'll be transported through the tunnel system itself into the power station complex, installed, aligned, and will be ready for the rest of the installation as the units are built. Much of these components have been manufactured in many different countries across the world. They consist of a very complicated logistics route from international shipping through to Port Kembla, and then a large logistical challenge to bring them here to site through the national park and then down the mountain and into this particular area at Lobs Hole. These components are huge and their overall weight can be upwards of 415 tonnes. So looking in our power station complex at the moment and within the machine hall, our next scope of works from an electrical mechanical perspective is our overhead gantry cranes. The main cranes will be utilised to take these components off the transportation equipment and then lower them into their final position within the power station complex. With the installation works, once the equipment's moved underground, we do some pre-assembly works with some components. They're then moved into the area when it's structurally ready. We align the equipment, we weld, then we move upwards from the ground all the way up to the top of the generator itself. I'm very proud to work for Snowy Hydro. There's been a few times that I've met former workers on the original scheme itself, and it's an incredibly proud moment listening to their stories and the difficulties and the complexities and the engineering that was involved in the original scheme, and drawing similarities back to Snowy 2.0. When this project's complete, I'll feel incredibly proud to have completed such an amazing, huge project that is nation building. There's not many roles in Australia where the commute to work would be as picturesque and as enjoyable as this one.